The Tough Dog Complete Recovery Kit has everything you need to get yourself back on track. Having a Tough Dog Complete Recovery Kit on board gives you the confidence to know that no matter how you get stuck, you'll have the equipment to get back on track right there with you. Loaded with all the essentials for both snatch and winch recovery situations, packed into a heavy duty bag, you'll always be prepared. There's an 8 or 11 ton snatch strap, a winch extension strap, a tree trunk protector, recovery blanket, snatch block, gloves and bow shackles, all packed into a hardcore bag. The heavy duty carry bag is made of 1200 denier canvas and features structured ribs at the zip for easy access, clip together ABS carry handles as well as a hard ABS plastic base and multiple pockets so your gear is safely stowed and well organised. See the full range of Tough Dog recovery gear at snakeracing.com.au.